Hey guys, it's Hannah. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. The first thing I do when I wake up is drink some water. So I just have this hydro flask and I try to refill it probably like 8 times in a day and drink all of that because it's just a really good size and I love this water bottle. Okay guys, so last night I made some overnight oats. I just put rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, honey, and cinnamon. And then I just left them in the fridge overnight. And I actually made me and my mom both some of these. And I usually put them in a mason jar, but hers were in the mason jar and I couldn't find the other ones. So anyways, I just put it in this little glass Tupperware and I just heated it up in the microwave for a couple minutes. And now I'm going to put some banana and blueberries on it. Alright guys, so I just got back from the gym and I need a little snack before lunch and everything. So I'm just going to eat some almonds. No, I don't measure them. I just eat as many as I want. And yeah, that's my snack. I'm also gonna have some of this Guava Goddess kombucha. I usually just drink like half of it and then I'll drink the other half later or whatever, but this is my favorite one. Okay guys, so it's lunchtime and I'm literally starving. Like it took everything in me not to devour this right now. But this is just some Brussels sprouts that I sauteed with olive oil, a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. And then just some avocado with garlic, salt, and crushed red pepper. But yeah, that's just what I'm gonna eat for lunch. And then I also have it on this plate that I painted in my Tampa vlog with Morgan. I'll show it to you guys after I like wash it and everything because I forgot to show y'all the end product or whatever. Alrighty guys, so I just got done eating and this is what the plate looks like. I'm really mad though because do you see these little crack marks? Like there are obviously these little cracks in there because I think it just does that whenever you hand paint them like this. But the oil from my Brussels sprouts like soaked into the plate, so I'm like mad because I hope that will dry out or something. I hope I didn't just ruin the plate. But anyways, this is that plate that I painted with Morgan and it took me like 2 hours to do, so yeah. And I was also going to show you guys what I'm drinking now. Well, I could have drank it while I was eating my food, but I like inhaled my food. So now I'm gonna drink some of this harmless coconut water. This is legit the best coconut water I've ever had. It's so expensive though, so I like got it on sale, so I'm really happy. I also wanted to tell you guys that I am on I think my 4th one of these bottles and I'm gonna try and get up to like 8 or 9. Alright guys, so I'm getting really hungry and I'm not going to eat dinner for a couple more hours. So I'm going to eat some pineapple and some blueberries just to have a little something. Alrighty guys, so this is my last meal of the day. I'm awkwardly holding it under this light so you can actually see what's in it. But it's this jerk chicken stuff that my mom made and it's like chicken breast, bell pepper, onion, corn, black beans. What else was in there? And she put like, I don't know, a bunch of spices like cinnamon and stuff. I don't know. It's so good. So I'm just gonna eat this for my dinner. And I kind of wanted a salad, but I didn't want to, like, I was too hungry, so I just wanted to eat this. So anyways, I'm gonna eat this. And if I'm not like completely stuffed, I might eat a salad afterwards. Okay, so I ended up not having enough room to have a salad. So I have this really bad habit of every time I eat something, I have to have something sweet afterwards. So I'm just eating some kiwi. This looks really sad in this huge bowl, but it's just one kiwi. So this is my dessert and that's the end of my what I eat today. Sorry I didn't show my face this whole video, but I literally was like sweaty from the gym. But I hope you enjoyed seeing what I ate today, and I am trying to eat super healthy because I have some meetings coming up, so that is the reason why I'm eating so healthy. I mean, normally you can slip up every now and then, it's fine, it's not that big of a deal, but I've been trying to eat really clean, so this was just a successful day of me eating really healthy, and I just hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.